Good to go. Everything loaded up, tires, tools, jacks. I know, please excuse the mess, but I think we're ready to head out. It's only been like 12 minutes, so that's probably like, latest at like 1:30. So I finished getting ready, and we're gonna hit the road to Lainer. Alrighty, loaded up, everything's in the back. We're ready to rip. All right, so hope you all like that little intro of you know, putting on the trailer and loading up the car. Currently we got all that done, and we are just now leaving my house. Man, I'm so excited. So again, we're heading to Lainer Raceway, or Lanier, however you want to pronounce it, but they have drift week every other night. I'm crazy. Every other weekend. So this Friday, and it wouldn't be this Friday coming, but the following Friday. So every other weekend. Apparently they have different layouts they like to throw in there. So we got about 3.5 hour drive. We got to fill these things up first, and then we're gonna go rip. So I'm excited. I need to finish charging the GoPro. I got it all in here because I am not running too far behind. I wanted to leave at 2. We got 13 minutes still. So that leaves me at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5. That gets me there at 5:30. Track is hot at 6 o'clock. All right, so now that we're at a standstill real quick, I don't know if I'm gonna throw it in this video. I might have made another video for it, but somehow my exhaust at the headers at the bottom where it clusters and then goes to a V-band right there literally break off. So my whole exhaust was hanging. I think I was running a really rich or lean. I don't know, because one of those two sensors back on the X pipe, you know, there was just a big exhaust leak. I mean, the whole thing split. I'll show you all what it looks like now. So now that you see what it looked like, that's I got a really quick fix this morning. Got the headers back. Well, I actually took the headers out last night around 12:30. Got up around 7-ish, went over to the exhaust shop at 8. Got that taken care of, brought it back, and I'm just in a rush. So luckily I got that back together. I got the bumper back on and everything, which I think everything is good to actually go and rip. So hopefully everything's good. I'm just so stressed after that happened. I'm afraid as soon as I get on the track after a 3-hour drive and something happens, but I guess that's part of it. So I don't want to think about that too much. Let's just get it going. And oh man, this is tight. This is a tight drive through right here. So, but I think we're gonna get lucky for the most part, other than it dropping here and maybe dragging a little. Oh yeah, yikes. That's gonna be a fun one. Okay, well, besides the point. So we'll see y'all here on the road in a second, and then out to drifting here soon. So. Alrighty guys, so I sat in traffic for like an hour long, man. There was 2 crashes, very unfortunate. We're looking at almost 7 o'clock, but we still have, what does that give us, like 3 hours left. So we're gonna get tech inspected, and then we're gonna go out on the track. So I'll see y'all out on the GoPro. Alrighty guys, I did want to butt in real quick. In this run, you're gonna see that I'm doing absolutely terrible, and I'm just yanking the e-brake like a complete idiot. But the car was just underpowered. I don't know what was going on with it. It was bogging down. It's like the first and second gear between 1,000 to 3,000 RPMs. It feels like a fuel cut. It won't want to pass that. Even, you know, up in the higher, maybe 4,000, it just felt very sluggish, and you could hear it in the tone. If you stick around to the video, you might be able to hear it in the later runs where it does do it. It was really funky, and I don't know exactly what it was. However, I do want to mention I did switch out the spark plugs before this. I did change the O2 sensors when I did put the headers back in. So I thought that was going to fix my problems, but it was wishy-washy. So I do want to say now that I have attended 2 events after this, and the car has been running okay. It hasn't happened like it has this event. It was really funky. Why? I don't know what was going on. I don't know if it was the elevation or whatever, but I was pretty disappointed in the car. I was a little upset, but these past 2 events I've ran perfectly fine, and I did pull a wrong fuse for the ABS delete, so maybe it caused it because of that. I did put that back in, and the thing's been running pretty good for the past 3 weeks. On cold starts, letting it sit for a little bit, then taking off, just cruising. It does still like hesitate or bog through the RPMs, but that's for a later fix. We're just gonna drive the crap out of this thing. So I'm just gonna quit talking. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy these content, and yeah, we'll go from there. Sticking a little bit. Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Oh, man. 2 months. guys, as I was saying, we got the new tires on. Well, not new, but the old ones from a set that I got a while back. I'm just gonna burn these off because the event ends at 10:30. It's already 10. Got a good bit of laps in, not too bad, can't complain. But we're gonna get back on the helmet. Dude, I'm just gonna run as many laps as I can, and then we'll probably do a little voiceover and I'll watch my drifting and see what I can improve on. I think my car is running at 100% now. I'm not entirely sure. So when I get back tomorrow, I'm gonna just do a straight line rip and see how she feels to see if it's 100%. Because to be honest, I'm not entirely sure. But we'll get you all on the GoPro and then we'll go rip some more.
That's why I fucking love riding in beds.
I'm still getting used to this angle kit a little bit.
Dude, killing it up until then though.
Alrighty guys, well, that was it. Lanier Motorplex is insane. If you're near Georgia at all, I know it's like North Georgia near is it Athens, I think? I forgot, I don't know what it's called exactly, but it's north of Atlanta. And man,
in 4.4 miles, turn left to merge onto I-85 North.
I got this flash on, I can hardly see. So this was a blast. I'm sure I'm gonna learn something from watching back this, and I hope you all did too. And if you have some input, go ahead and drop it in the comments below and let me know what you think, how I did, and what I should improve on. So I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.